What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. Heading to my 6th emergency service call on this Sunday, the first Sunday of the winter 2024-2025 heating season. It is 21 degrees outside. Even though I've added air to my tires on Friday, it's just so cold out and it wants more. So I'm around the corner from my next service call, Queens Village. We have a Trane gas-fired furnace that isn't heating the house. It's an existing residential client. Hopefully, God willing, we'll be able to get them up and running. Let's go! Hopefully I don't need a lot of things out of my van.
Nobody gonna get inside.
But we don't get inside? Yeah, that would suck.
Hey, thank you so much for coming.
Of course, my pleasure.
Alright, so
No heat?
in and out. There is a heat, but
In and out?
it doesn't go out to the register. So we set it usually at 68, but it only goes up to like 50, and then it will dip down again to like 45. So we don't know what's going on. You probably remember you.
I remember.
Yeah, you fixed the.
I fixed it.
Yeah. It's been good. But
It's been good.
It's been acting up again. So we changed it.
Change the filter?
Yeah.
Pressure switch. So right now thermostat is on?
Yes, it is. Yeah, we're at 68, but I think it's only 49 right now. The house.
49.
Yeah.
We got 4 flashes. 4 flashes. That means there's an open limit.
Okay.
The blower comes on?
It comes on, but it doesn't. It's not that much.
Not
What
that much.
do you mean by,
You know, the blower. Does it circulate the air?
not much is coming out through the vents.
So it's not circulating then.
Yeah, right.
Let's see if we can give it a good old spin. Yeah, she spins around. She's a dirty one. She's dirty. Let's see. So, when did it stop working?
I would say yesterday, actually around noon time, my mom noticed that the temperature was dipping, even though it was at 65.
Yeah.
So,
I told her when she called last night that I would call her in the morning.
Yeah,
But
you were in the chapel.
You were in chapel?
Yeah. Sorry, we missed your call.
God was trying to give you heat.
We're praying for the heat.
Yeah, pray for heat, you know?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna try to test this capacitor right there. That bad boy right there.
That's ours.
He's trying to make me room. I see you still didn't fix the water heater.
Not yet.
Yeah.
No money.
No money. All the famous last words, no money. Come on, the money. No money? Okay, let's see. Let's test this capacitor. We'll do that first and see what we got working with here. Because that would be nice if it's just a capacitor. Alright, so I got one there, that one there, and it's reading 4.2. It's reading 4.2. Let's see. Oh, I left my little stubby. Okay, let's see. I think this is a 5. If I'm gonna wager anything, this capacitor needs to be a 5. What do you think, guys? What do you think?
Sure.
You're not sure? Has this been replaced before?
Never.
Never? It looks like a 5. It looks like a little baby 5. It's a 5.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it says 5 right there on it.
So what's the reading?
And also, you know, you had this other one right here in the box. That was also 5. So it was kind of like a giveaway. So let's see. Is this the old one? Yeah, this is an old one, see? So someone changed that one before. So let's see what the old one was that they changed. Wow, the old one that they took out is better than the one that's in there right now. 4.2.
But Mike, truth be told, we never fixed it. We never touched it.
Someone did it because the box is sitting up there.
But truthfully speaking, we never changed. We never.
The only thing I remember change the limit switch before, long time ago.
Okay.
So we have like a thing on the wall where
Because I based on the diagnostic.
Yeah.
Now,
Tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put back in. I'm gonna rewire the old capacitor. All right. And then we're gonna fire this. We're gonna fire this bad boy up.
we never changed it.
Never changed it?
Oh, maybe
Oh,
the
maybe.
old owner. Maybe
How long
the
have you lived
owner.
here?
No, we lived there a long time.
Lived here a long time, so no,
Yeah.
not the old owner.
Yeah,
You did it.
we see that one, but
It's okay. You don't have to remember that you did it or not. Okay, let's see what happens. That's that motor trying to start right now, by the way. I can hear it. It's that hum. See, look. She's trying to move, but she can't.
So it's still
She's
not
trying to
enough.
move, but she can't.
So it's still not enough.
It's not enough. We kill power.
So we're gonna put the right one.
Now, I know you don't have enough money for the vent on the water heater.
No, you always.
But you have enough. Hopefully, you have enough money for today.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
When we have like that.
Let's see.
You're scaring us, Mike.
Let's see what size that needs. Let me take a picture of this. All right, we got a new Amorad. She's set to 5. Say a prayer. Going to the chapel and we're gonna have heat. Oh yeah, flip that switch on.
All right, I got you.
Let's get a jumper cable out of here. Let's see. Let's go on G. And R. What?
It sounds better.
It sounds better?
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah. Feel the heat out here. Definitely very, very suspect. We're flashing normal operation. We have ignition.
It's coming out now, right now.
What? You don't feel anything yet? Then maybe your hands are numb for being so cold. That blower's running. She running. What do I see like? Hold on a second. I'm gonna turn on the flash. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Hold that?
Maybe it takes time to.
Takes time? Yeah, but let's see what kind of amperage we're working with on this thing. So heat is going to be the blue wire. We're running at 4.5 amps, 4.6 amps. The blue wire is the fan speed for heat. The black wire is cool. All right, and the red and the yellow, those are both parks. See, it says park there. All right, let's permanently. Yeah, that. Oof! Wow. Our inducer assembly is kind of toast. We're gonna do a test to see how the heat exchanger pressure is, if there's any change in it when the blower comes on. So I'm gonna do a pressure test and see how that is. All right, so let's see if we can zero this bad boy out. Okay, let's turn on the system. Okay, I just connected the the W wire. Okay, and now I'm going to take the jumper wire and put it onto R from G. Okay, as you can see, my pressure did not change. Okay, now we're going to take off our finger off of that. Let's hook up our pressure switch, our pressure tubing to right there. Our blower's not moving. And I'm going to turn this on. If we have an increase there, we have a bad heat exchanger. And we got really no change. Nope, no change. Heat exchanger's good. So let's permanently install that new capacitor. And then hopefully this thing will run. All right, new capacitor is mounted. I don't think this is going to solve the problem, but let's put the door back on and see how she runs. 4.9 amps on our line voltage coming into this furnace. I just can't test just the blower because it's behind the door, but 4.9 amps. And it's rated for, I think, 5. And you saw the dirt on it. Condition of the inducer assembly, literally charred. Furnace was manufactured in October 2003. It makes it over 21 years old. 100,000 BTUs. You know the old saying, it goes that you could drag a camel to water. You ain't gonna make it drink. Facts. We have a 21-year-old gas furnace that is literally hanging by a thread. Now, I gotta admit, there are some of you out there that are master craftsmen working with Band-Aids. You can get a new inducer assembly. We can get a new blower wheel. We can even get a new heat exchanger. How much lipstick are you gonna put on this pig? She's still 21 years old and she's beyond life expectancy. It is to the benefit of the property owner that a new furnace is installed. Cleaning up the supply plenum. You see that mess that was directly above that? All right, getting rid of that 1-inch filter, non-pleated nonsense, right? Put in a 4-inch media cabinet there, make everything nice and airtight. Bring in some more air, put the furnace on a pedestal, on a base, so we can bring in air from the bottom and from the sides. Make that bad boy really shine. It's gonna cost some money, but at the end of the day, it's gonna be a beautiful system. And when you package in an extended warranty, through JB Warranties, for example, the homeowner will have peace of mind and reliable, dependable comfort heating in their home. Just call it like it is. Call it like it is. And for under $700 a month for 18 months, we can put in a phenomenal system. Phenomenal system. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching. Let me get your thoughts and feedback in the comment section down below. When? I want you to answer this question in the comment section down below. How many hours or days, weeks or months before we're back there trying to resurrect that Trane XR80? Your best get, your single best get in the comment section down below. Go!